Hello students, welcome to the accounts class. Students, we were doing past adjustment entries and today we'll learn few more concepts. We have learned till now that when how to pass an adjustment entry if interest on capital or interest on drawing is omitted, right? But today we'll learn when if the errors are like interest on capital or interest on drawing is charged either in excess or lesser than the than what is required, right? So for example, if you have to charge interest on capital like 6%, but you by mistake you have charged 10%, or you had to charge 10% but by mistake you charge 8% or 9%. Okay, in both the cases, how to deal with the situation and how to pass the rectifying entry. Okay, so today we'll learn that. Uh, for that, we'll start with question number 60 of the book. Okay. In question number 60, Ram, Mohan and Sohan are three partners. Okay, Ram, Mohan and Sohan are the three partners. They are sharing their profits equally, that is 1:1:1, and their capitals are 1,20,000, 90,000, 60,000, right? And interest on capital is interest on capital was charged 6% per annum instead of 5%. Instead of 5%. Okay, so we had to charge 5% per annum, but wrongly by mistake we charged 6% per annum. Okay, so we charged extra. We had charged extra. We have given extra interest on capital to the partners. ठीक है, हमको चार्ज करना था, हमको देना था 5%, but we have given 6% to the partners. So the capital is 1,20,000, 90,000 and 60,000. So now first step is obviously we have to make the adjustment table. So prepare an adjustment table. Write the names of the partners: Ram, Mohan and Sohan. Okay. Next, what is the step? First step is whatever amount has been wrongly credited to the partners, like इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्रेडिट हुआ होगा एट 6% पर एनम, तो 6% पर एनम जो हमने क्रेडिट किया था दैट वी हैव टू टेक इट बैक नाउ. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वी हैव टू रिवर्स दैट एंट्री. So interest on capital was credited to the partner's capital account, but now what we have to do, we have to first debit it. So the first step is interest on capital wrongly credited, now reversed. Okay, interest on capital wrongly credited, now reversed. So we have to debit it. Now 6% of 1,20,000 would be 7,200. 6% of 90,000 would be 5,400. 6% of 60,000 would be 3,600. That means these are the items of debit. That means we have to take these amount first, which we have wrongly credited into the partner's account. So we have to debit the partner's capital account. So we are going to take this amount back. So the first step is this. Now the second step is that we have to interest on capital credited. Interest on capital credited at 5% per annum. करेक्ट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वॉज 5%, तो 5% पर एनम के हिसाब से हम क्रेडिट करेंगे पार्टनर्स को, राइट? सो 5% ऑफ 1,20,000 वुड बी 6,000. 5% ऑफ 90,000 वुड बी 4,500. 5% ऑफ 60,000 वुड बी 3,000. करेक्ट? नाउ इन द रफ मैंने आपको बताया था इसे 2 कॉलम्स बनाना है, ठीक है। डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट. Now what is the total amount of debit here? That means 7200, 5400 and 3600. Total is 16,200. Now credit के अमाउंट का टोटल कितना है? 6,000, 4,500, 3,000. The total is 13,500. Okay. Now which amount is lesser? It is clearly visible. Credit का amount lesser है, ठीक है. By how much amount it is less? We have to subtract 13,500. We have to subtract from 16,200. तो subtract करेंगे हम इन दोनों figures को, we will get 2,700. 2,700 हमारे पास credit में short है, ठीक है. That means here 2,700 को we have to distribute in the ratio of 1:1:1, ठीक है. And the figure would be of credit. 1:1 में credit करेंगे, that means 900, 900 and 900. Correct. Now we have to take out the net effect of these entries. Net effect would be 300 negative. Net effect here is 0 and here again positive की figure आएगी 300. Negative की figure जो आ रही है that is a debit amount, जो positive की figure आ रही है it is a credit amount, right? So ये तो हो गया हमारा working note. Now what about the adjustment entry? Adjustment entry क्या होगी हमारी? Here debit क्या हो रहा है? Debit is Ram's capital account. So entry would be Ram's capital account debit to Sohan's capital account. ठीक है. मोहन से हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है, उसका नेट इफेक्ट 0 आ गया था. क्रेडिट में क्या आ रहा है? सोहन. So Ram's capital account to Sohan's capital account. 300, 300. Right? Now interest on capital excessive charged, now rectified. This would be the narration. I hope the question is clear. Now if we come to next question, question number 61. Question number 61 is again Ram, Shyam and Mohan are 3 partners in a firm. They are sharing their profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. Their capitals are 3 lakh, 1 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay, 3 lakh, 1 lakh and 2 lakh. This is their capital. Now what we have done, the mistake we have done is interest on capital should have been charged at 10%. Interest on capital was charged at 9% instead of 10% per annum. हमें 10% per annum लगाना था, but we have charged 9% per annum. ठीक है. So here profit is also given. Profit for the year is 2,50,000. This is your question. Ram, Shyam and Mohan are the 3 partners. 2:2:1 is their profit sharing ratio. Their capitals are 3 lakh, 1 lakh and 2 lakh. Interest on capital was charged at 9% instead of 10% per annum. Profit is 2,50,000. ठीक है. Now to calculate here, now to pass the adjustment entry here and to make the adjustment table is little different from this question. If you compare this question, here interest on capital was charged extra, right? Here the interest on capital was charged 6% instead of 5%. So it was excessive interest was charged. But here the interest on capital is charged lesser than what was required. Okay, here it is charged lesser. So what we will do is the difference between these two percentages we have to calculate. The difference between these two percentages is 1%, right? 1% हमने less interest on capital partners को दिया है. So again we'll make the adjustment table. We'll have to make the adjustment table. Name of the partners: Ram, Shyam and Mohan. Now what would be the first step? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज यहाँ पे डिफरेंस, दोनों ही क्वेश्चंस में डिफरेंस ये है कि यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या किया था, जो रॉन्गली क्रेडिटेड था इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, दैट वी एंटर्ड फर्स्ट एज अ डेबिट अमाउंट कि वी हैव टू टेक दैट फर्स्ट एंड देन वी क्रेडिटेड द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल, राइट? But here in this question, question number 61, where the interest on capital is charged lesser, here what we will do is we will take out the difference between these two percentages. The difference between these two percentages is 1%. Okay, now we'll credit the partners accordingly. We'll credit the partners by 1% on their capitals, 1% as their interest on capitals. ठीक है, 1% हम interest on capital अब हम credit करेंगे. So interest on capital should be credited. जो क्रेडिट होना चाहिए आप, that is 1%. 1% से क्रेडिट करेंगे तो it will be 3,000. 1% of 1 lakh 1,000. 1% of 2 lakh 2,000. ठीक है. Now the total of these three amount, ठीक है, ये हमने शॉर्ट दिया था, हमने ये अमाउंट शॉर्ट दिया था. द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दिस इज, ये अमाउंट हमने शॉर्ट दिया उनको, पार्टनर्स को, बट ये अमाउंट हमने शॉर्ट दिया तो हमने P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में क्या किया होगा, ये हमने एज अ प्रॉफिट हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया होगा अमंग दी पार्टनर्स, राइट? जब हमने पार्टनर्स के बीच में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया होगा, दैट मीन्स हमने इस रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया होगा. ठीक है, P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में ये अमाउंट हमने इस रेशियो में उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया होगा. सो दैट इज व्हाई हियर इन द एडजस्टमेंट टेबल अब हमें उन्हें उनसे इसी रेशियो में ये अमाउंट वापस लेना है. ठीक है, सो दैट मीन्स वी विल डेबिट दैट अमाउंट. दैट मीन्स 3,000 and 3,000 6,000. ये 6,000 हम 2:1 की रेशियो में अब हम डेबिट करेंगे, यानी हम पार्टनर से अब वापस लेंगे जो हमने एज अ प्रॉफिट उनको अर्लियर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के रूप में हमने उनसे P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में वापस ले लिया. P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में हमने उन्हें एज अ प्रॉफिट हमने उन्हें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया था. बट हियर what we are going to do, we will again take that amount. ठीक है, so we will debit it. 3,000 plus 3,000 6,000. 6,000 को, so profit should be debited. यानी 6,000 को हम in the ratio of 2:1 की रेशियो में we will distribute, right? ये कितना आएगा? It will come out to as 2,400, 1,200 and 2,400. ठीक है. Now we will calculate the net effect. Net effect would be 600, 200 negative, 400 negative. ठीक है, 600 positive, 200 negative, 400 negative. So 600 is the amount of credit, 200 is the amount of debit, 400 is the amount of debit. ठीक है, what should be the adjustment entry now? That means Shyam's capital account debit, Mohan's capital account, sorry, it's not capital account, their capitals are fixed. It is given in the question that their capitals are fixed. They have fixed capital. Fixed capital, that means their current account would be maintained. So Shyam's current account debit, Mohan's current account debit to Ram's current account. ठीक है, so we'll pass the adjustment entry now. Adjustment entry would be Shyam's current account debit, Mohan's current account debit to Ram's current account. 200, 400, 600. Being interest on capital charged less, now rectified. ठीक है, this would be the adjustment entry. So question number 61 and 60 and 61 are done. Question number 62. Coming to question number 62. Question number 62 you will have to do it on your own. In question number 62, Simrat and Beer are the partners. Simrat and Beer are the two partners. They are sharing the profits and losses as 3:2. ठीक है, their capital accounts stood at 4,80,000. Then 6 lakh, 4,80,000 and 6 lakh. Simrat introduced additional capital of 1,20,000 and Beer withdrew 60,000. It happened in May. Then in October, Simrat withdrew 2,40,000 and Beer introduced additional capital 3 lakh. Now interest on capital was omitted. Interest on capital was 6%, which was omitted. We forgot to give interest on capital to the partners. ठीक है, now partners profit for the year was 2,40,000. Yes, here drawings were also made. Drawings were Simrat की drawings थी 1,20,000. Then Beer की drawings थी 60,000. Now here the capitals are closing capitals. This question is pretty big, थोड़ा लंबा question है. What you all have to do, because यहाँ पर आपको closing capital is given, so you have to first find out the opening capital, and the question requires you to find out the interest on capital as when your capitals are fixed and when your capitals are fluctuating. ठीक है, under both the methods we have to find out the interest on capital. See, it is very simple, but what we have to do is we just need to find out the opening capital first. और opening capital find out करने के लिए, if you remember in the starting only I had given you a formula formula of finding opening capital under fixed capital system and under fluctuating capital system. उस जो formula given था, then that formula you need to put all these figures and find out the opening capitals. ठीक है, so the hint you have is find out opening capital first. ठीक है, find out the opening capital first and then what you have to do, opening capital find out कर लिया आपने, उसके बाद here on May एडिशनल कैपिटल आपके पास आई सिमरत के केस में इन द फाइनेंशियल ईयर, आपकी ओपनिंग कैपिटल आप फाइंड आउट करोगे, देन मे में एडिशनल कैपिटल सिमरत ने ऐड किया, देन इन अक्टूबर शी विड्रू द कैपिटल 2,40,000. ठीक है, एंड इन द केस ऑफ बीर अप्रैल का आप ओपनिंग कैपिटल फाइंड आउट करोगे, देन इन मे बीर विड्रू 60,000 and in October Beer introduced additional capital. ठीक है, and now if you remember हम स्टार्टिंग में हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल फाइंड आउट करते थे इन प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर जो ओपनिंग कैपिटल आपकी फाइंड आउट होगी, तो यहाँ पर पहले 1 मंथ के लिए 1/12 करके 6% हमारा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है, 6% 1/12 करके हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. देन फॉर 5 मंथ्स निकालेंगे हम, एंड देन टिल अगेन लास्ट इन द लास्ट एंड 6/12 करके हम लोग निकालेंगे. ठीक है, 6% सिमरत का. सिमिलरली हेयर 1/12, देन हेयर 5/12 करके, एंड देन इतना 6/12 करके हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ठीक है, दैट विल बी इन द केस ऑफ इन both the cases fixed capital, fluctuating capital. Now remember in the fixed capital system opening capital आपकी different आएगी, in the fluctuating capital opening capital different आएगी. जब opening capital different होगी तो fixed capital और fluctuating capital दोनों के ही cases में your interest on capital will vary. ठीक है, so it's a little bit longer question but the calculations are very easy. You will be able to do it on your own. I have given you the hints, you can do it on your own. ठीक है, so question number 62 you will do it on your own, and question number 66, question number 62 and question number 66 you all can try on your own, right? I hope the video was clear and you all will be able to do your work. Good luck and goodbye.